Hi, welcome to Hog Security, Changing the User PIN video tutorial. First, keep press like button and connect drive to computer by USB cable. Second, keep press like button. Wait for 5 seconds until the red and orange LED bright at the same time. Then loosen like button. Third, enter existing PIN. Then press unlock button to confirm it. At this time, the orange LED go to be off. Fourth, enter new PIN. Then press unlock button to confirm it. Fifth, enter new PIN again. Then press unlock button to confirm it. Sixth, at this time, red LED go to be off, green LED bright. Now change PIN successfully. Note that if a mistake was made while defining a new PIN or the procedure was not completed, the drive will retain the old PIN. If you have any question, please visit hogsecurity.net/support.